three enlightenments which I have got from my mentors that has helped me in my investing journey immensely. Not only investing journey but life in general, which I'm going to share in this video. This is going to be a really powerful video, has a potential to change your journey of investing and take it to the next level. Generally, we talk about stock market, chart, fundamentals, technicals in this channel, but I'm going to share what has been my journey, what has helped me otherwise, because those are the pillars where you can build your journey and help you stay focused. Watch till the end because all the three key pointers which I'm sharing going to be really powerful. And I would request you to make a lot of notes and put those notes in the comment section below of this video, so that not only helps you to instill those learning in your head, but also helps others in their journey as well. Thank you. My name is Shivendra Bhatia and I'm a founder of Peaceful Weekend Investing Hub, trying to make investing simple, easy and accessible for busy professionals like you. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing because we keep bringing great contents like this, and hit the notification bell so you get notified from the next video when I release. Thank you so much for that. Let's get started. I'm going to share my screen and we'll go through one by one each pointer and also I'll share how it has helped me in my journey as well. Invest in yourself. That's the first main message. You are the biggest asset. You need to invest in yourself before you start investing in stock market, any investment you do. People tend to spend a lot of time or invest on themselves for the graduation, whether you want to become a doctor, engineer, chartered accountant and whatnot. But they forget to invest in themselves when they want to invest in stock market. They just blindly buy stocks just by listening through tips or through social media or from the news channel. And that's the biggest mistake that can not only derail you in your journey and throw you out from the greatest platform which is at your disposal to create wealth. So first, invest in yourself. If you have already started and you don't know how you're doing it, I would suggest you can follow my style where I kind of stopped investing, first went back to school, learned everything, build my way up. That way it can help you in your journey as well. Build your right platform before you move on. I like to quote Robin Sharma. He's a famous author and I love this quote. Investing in yourself is the best investment you will ever make. It will not only improve your life, it can improve the lives of all those around you. And that is the most powerful point here, where you can basically change the lives around you. If you are thinking to have a better life for you and your loved ones, you can do that. If you want to do some kind of charitable work where you want to educate anybody or fund somebody, you can do that. And that's one. First, you invest in yourself, learn, and then start building your wealth in stock market. Hope you got the message here. Let's move to the next one. Focus. I talk to so many investors who are investing in stock market, who are new and started investing and starting buying stocks, but they lack focus. And focus can be many things. And I will share what I mean by focus. Focus means you are trying to find a method of your investing style and stay focused on that method. That's one way of looking at it. Another way of looking at it is you have a portfolio goal and that goal is your main focus, and then you work backwards and do reverse engineering and start saying, what should I do to achieve that goal? And that way it will make you stay focused in the path, because then you are setting up the realistic goals and also staying focused to that. And if you require any skills, you want to learn, you want to find the right mentors, you can do that because you are completely focused. What happens is generally people tend to start the news channel in the morning, look at what they're talking about it, read the newspapers, and then they kind of focus based on what has been instilled through the social media. Stop doing it if you're doing it. Focus on your learning, focus on your understanding of the businesses, focus on your portfolio goals. That is the most important thing. And I have been not watching news channel for last so many years and have absolutely not only helped me, it benefited me immensely because I stay at peace. And that's one of the key pillars of peaceful weekend investing, by the way. So stay focused. I will quote Warren Buffett. Focus on making $1 first, then focus on $10, then $100, then $1,000 and 10,000 and so on. Now, this particular point is important here because people tend to start thinking a big dreams out of stock market as if that's kind of money making machine, which it is, but you need to know that you require patience. It requires the right investing skills for you can generate that much of money out of that. And don't get caught up in the long term story which the news channel talk about. You focus on your own short term needs and focus first. Try and build step by step your investing journey, and once you stop making mistake, you will start making money. That's important. And you should learn from others also, so that way you can learn fast. Let's go to the next one. System works, people fail. And this is the very powerful message which I want to give. Checklist was formed. Everywhere we see checklists around us. Whether you go to hospitals, we go into airlines, we go everywhere on the industries, they have a checklist. Why? Because they want to follow a process or system. Because people tend to have their own emotions. They tend to, bring subjectivity in their decision making, and that fails the whole process. So you need to have a system in investing as well. And that is the most important thing. Once you have the right knowledge, then you have right focus, then you will lead towards making your own process. And that way you can dissociate yourself with all the emotions because of the prices moving up and down every day. And that way you can stay focused into your process and build the formula for success. Yes, that's what you should lead towards. So I'm giving you those three main pillars which can help you this in your journey. If you found this very powerful, type powerful in the comment box below. And if you're going to implement it, say, yes, I will. Wasn't it powerful? Yes, it was powerful. If you start implementing it step by step, it has a potential to change your life. And those three were, first one is invest in yourself. You are the biggest asset. Second one is making sure that you stay focused. Focus is very important because that will put everything in place. Third, system works, people fail. Once you start from the top, first point to second point and third, automatically you will start building those systems and you start connecting with that people and you will have that right framework. And now I know that you might be thinking, how is it going to happen? Start first and automatically things will come in place. First, make sure that you focus on those three things and start working towards it, and everything will fall in place. That's my promise. If you found this video powerful, like the video, and if you want to subscribe to my channel, do subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next time in the next video. See you. Bye-bye.